Thinking about getting your driver's license in Arizona? Let's walk through the steps together so you know exactly what to do. First up, know your options. Arizona offers standard driver's licenses, the Arizona Travel ID, one that meets federal Real ID standards, and even commercial licenses if you need to drive professionally. You'll get to choose what fits your needs best. You can apply either at a state-run Motor Vehicle Division (MVD) office or at one of the authorized third-party locations. These are businesses that partner with the MVD to offer license services. Some neighborhoods have one nearby, which can save you a trip downtown. Before going in, gather your documents. You need to prove your identity, age, and that you're legally allowed to be in the U.S. Bring things like a valid birth certificate or passport, plus proof that your presence here is authorized. You'll also need your Social Security number. It's used for identity checks and legal compliance, not printed on your license. When you're ready, head to the MVD or third party to begin. They'll start with a vision check if needed. If you already have a valid license from another state, you might skip the written or road test. But if not, be prepared to take both. I recommend reviewing the Arizona Driver's Manual beforehand. It'll help you feel confident at the testing station. If the written test and driving exam look intimidating, that's normal. Just take your time practicing, follow traffic laws, and drive safely. Once you pass everything, you'll get your license. Arizona also offers a veteran designation on your license if you've served in the U.S. military, which you can ask about at the MVD.